Trumpets, Rosh Hoshana, shows the beginning of the civil year. It signifies the calling to judgment of Israel. Old Testament references: Leviticus 23:23-25, Numbers 29 1-6, 2 Samuel 6:15. New Testament references: 1 Corinthians 15:52, 1 Thessalonians 4:16. Old Testament time is Tishri. Modern time is September and October. It is the ingathering of the nation of Israel, a sacred assembly, a day of rest, commemorated with trumpet blast and sacrifices. Israel presents itself before the Lord for His favor. In the New Testament, it is the second coming of Jesus Christ. So, trumpets, or Yom Teruah, or Rosh Hoshana, Jews celebrated, presented themselves before God so that God will bless them or God will reward them. Thank you.